Evening all, my name's Moose Cooper, and can you game on a £600? It's about $750. PC from 2015 and 2019? Let's find out, shall we? And this is the PC in question. It's the only gaming PC I've ever owned. Now, it's a ZooStorm pre-built system, so I got it reasonably priced for what it is. I mean, I got it for, I think it was like 600 quid. But with everything going up in price, it's more expensive to buy these parts separate now than it was the day I bought this umpteen years ago in 2015. If we have a look at the specs of this monstrous machine, you'll find an i5-4460 processor clocked at a monstrous 3.4 GHz. 16 gigs of crucial 1333 MHz RAM, DDR3, that'll be. A GTX 750 Ti, 2GB, all on a Gigabyte GA-B85 HD3 motherboard. I know, it just rolls off the tongue. All of this is rammed inside of an InWin GT1 mid-tower case, which is modified by ZooStorm to sell to the public and make it look as if it's their own. It's got a 500 watt, 80 plus bronze power supply, which is generally from a company I've never really heard of, but it's non-modular, and as you probably can tell, the cable management is atrocious. The fans come pre-installed in the case, so you can automatically take that out of your budget. Now, if we have a look at the prices to see if the value of this thing is worthwhile building for yourself, you've got two options really. You could buy everything brand new, although research, it's really difficult to get some of these parts new, as obviously they're many years old now. Well, there's obviously the second-hand market, your eBays, your Craigslist if you're from that side of the world. So brand new, you're looking at £583, which is $750. You'll see the list of prices scattered somewhere, which is a lot, I think, before I've pre-tested this to see exactly what it can do. I think that's a lot of money. And second hand, it's £310, which is a big drop. Oh, that's $400. That's a massive drop, but will it compete to like a 400 pre-built system you can buy now? Well, but that's what these tests are for. So after the testing at 1080p, around medium settings on all games, it's turned out pretty well. It's held up a lot better than I remembered it doing, because I haven't used this sort of thing in a while. There's high frame rates in all games apart from PUBG, but let's be honest, that isn't a surprise in the slightest. So, to round it all up, can you game on a system this old and this cheap? Yes! It would be great for esports titles or bigger games at lower frame rates at a smaller resolution, because you ain't going to hit 1440p or 4K on this thing. That's just a pipe dream that is never going to come to fruition. This isn't going to do me good for a while, but I'm going to make some follow-up videos through the year, updating it and seeing what just spending a little bit of money on like a graphics card or a new processor can push this thing to do. I'm impressed, and yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit down, destroy the subscribe button and wait till after the segment to see more videos that I have made. If it's your birthday today, merry flipping birthday to you, and if it isn't, have a smashing day anyway. And hopefully, I shall see you peoples in the next video. Toodle pip. PC from 2015 and 2019? Let's find out. I don't think that take was good enough.